Hi, my name is Virtut Koshi. I'm responsible for Mavenir business in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. I'm super excited with the opportunities arising in the telco industry, especially in Europe and Middle East. There is a heap of innovation coming through. The ecosystem is maturing quite fast, I would say. There is a number of suppliers now that will bring you very tested and proven solutions in cloud computing, in automation. Artificial intelligence is on the cards, enabled by open networks. And the overall energy around the telco service providers, as well as the suppliers, as well as the users of services, it's a really exciting place to be. I've been in the industry for a couple of decades. I've seen similar excitements a few times before, not always great, but now everything is coming together and we will see more innovation going forward. Mavenir is one of the most innovative players today in the area of telecommunication network functions. We bring solutions that are similar to those used in a variety of infrastructures provided by Google, by Microsoft, by Netflix, and so on. So when you use Mavenir components or software or solutions in a telecommunication networks, it's a huge opportunity for subscribers to have a similar experience to the one of getting a login into Netflix, or perhaps doing a Google search or using Microsoft collaboration tools. So we do provide very innovative, modern solutions. We have broken off from legacy, and we bring a tremendous speed, agility, and flexibility for our customers, who then in turn have the opportunity to serve their subscriber base with the most innovative products. We do lead actually here in Europe. We're one of the first to do, for example, network slicing in Germany with RTL, some of the first to open up radio access networks, starting here in the UK with a number of players since the last 2 years. We do provide multimedia messaging, all very efficient, very effective, very convenient for customers to use. And in many markets, actually, every text you send or every voicemail you leave actually goes through Mavenir platforms. We have definitely brought innovation, and we bring in huge opportunities for telcos, both from capitalizing top line as well as from massive savings on the bottom line, predominantly through the efficiencies from the architecture that we bring. The future for telcos looks really exciting today. First of all, we're starting from a phase or period where the competition is very fierce among service providers. In every market, we're seeing a high performance, and also some of them who are lagging behind. Therefore, those with a better and smarter investment, with a more a better strategy, including technology strategy, might lead, and it could be a Darwinian end where we will see exits, we will see acquisitions, or joint ventures for that sake. So some of the leaders are really adopting the latest tools, technology, and solutions that are available. They are turning to open systems, open networks, and employing the best of breed in all areas of the network, such as in the radio access network, where there's an opportunity today to pick the best what's available out there in the market, and not just source all in one place, which is locked and doesn't give you any flexibility. In areas where platforms are important, there is an opportunity to really source the very latest cloud computing based, cloud native based, data center based solutions that bring a lot of efficiency from automation and artificial intelligence. And that's what we see some of the market leaders executing and implementing. We work with many of them in Europe, and there is a tangible difference, especially around 5G standalone, as well as non-standalone. We see a lot of latest technologies being deployed that will enable the service providers to launch fast, to have a robust infrastructure, a resilient infrastructure, but also having agile platforms in order to launch new services towards both consumers as well as enterprises. Now, the only thing that I would add is that it does require a lot of brave leadership. It does require really breaking up with the past, breaking up with the legacy, and sometimes the legacy will drag. I'm quite impressed with several players in Europe. Again, we can see and evaluate some of the performance that we're seeing in each country and how the market leaders have been breaking away. And there's a very close correlation with those embracing innovation and creativity with those who are still in a bit of a legacy world that has changed probably forever last 2 to 3 years with the introduction of cloud native and open networks that will be used going forward. Well, thank you, and looking forward to seeing you in Network X. It's a massive show, third week of October in Paris, in a very nice location, Port de Versailles. Mavenir will have a booth, and as many of you know, Mavenir offers exceptional hospitality, as well as the very latest from the telecom industry, what's happening around the world with Mavenir and its customers. In particular, don't hesitate to come and attend. My keynote speech is on Wednesday, and you can bring the hardest questions that you have, as well as the easiest and the fun one. In any case, looking forward to seeing you in Paris in about a month's time.